Why, it could be grease lightning.
Grease lightning.
We'll get some overhead lifters and four-barrel quads, oh yeah.
Keep talking or keep talking.
Fuel injection cut off and chrome-plated rods, oh yeah.
Get it ready, how cute to get it ready.
Hear the fuss beat on the floor, they'll be waiting at the door. You know without a doubt, I'll be really making out in grease lightning. Grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile.
Grease lightning, go grease lightning.
Go grease lightning, you're coasting through the heat-lap trial.
Grease lightning, go grease lightning.
You are supreme, the chicks will scream for grease lightning. We'll get some purple French tail lights and 30-inch fins, oh yeah. A pattern